Hi guys, welcome to Web Auto Sales. My name's Dean. Just want to take a couple of minutes of your time to have a look at another one of these just arrived. An absolute ripper car. Definitely stand out from the crowd with this one. A really solid bright yellow colour and very safe on the road. Have a look down the side, clean and tidy. The paintwork's really good. A credit to the previous owners. Was a building company car, this one, guys. And the showcase on this one is your 20-inch alloys. Genuine Ford 20-inch alloy wheels with fantastic Goodyear Wrangler tyres all the way around, near new rubber on those. You do also have the option to protect this one Australia-wide with 1 to 5 year options available with national warranties. Service your car at any licensed mechanic in the same intervals with these particular cars, 12 months or 15,000 K intervals. That keeps it covered for failure on mechanical things on the vehicle. Really tidy car around the sides. Come and have a look inside. It is the 2.2 turbo diesel motor with the 6-speed auto. Check out inside. I'd say it was just, owned by the guy that drove it around for the company. It was a building company car. Really clean. Credit to the previous driver on this. He's well looked after it. Excellent books and service history stamped on this one. And it has got the front airbags, side airbags, cruise control, diff lock, 6-speed transmission, and like I said, really clean and tidy inside. Have a look in the back. They are a 5-seater, plenty of room inside. Doesn't really look like there's been too many people sitting in the back of this one. Probably had a couple of tools and tool bags and bits and pieces in it, being a building company vehicle. But again, really clean, really tidy. Another one to point out here, this is an alloy rack that will hold up to 200 kgs in weight across the top of that. So whether you wanted to turn that into a bit of a camper for the weekend or get stuck into it and use it as a trade vehicle, the versatility and choices are yours. It has got the 3.5 ton tow bar on the back of this one, but a really good, clean, tidy car, guys. If you want to get into this one with finance, we do with Loans Unlimited. We've had a relationship with them for nearly 10 years. And fantastic group. They've got over 30 lenders to guarantee to get you into the best rate. Come through, have another last look at this car before we go. Really clean, really tidy, but she's nice and high off the ground. It does give High Rider a new meaning with those 20-inch alloys, but it does set it out from the crowd. Guys, we hope to see you down here soon at Web Auto Sales. Check out our Google reviews, see what people are saying about us. Look forward to seeing you soon for a test drive on this bright yellow beauty. Thanks for your time.